The funding is available. It's just that in the General Appropriations Act, kailangan pong maglabas si LTFRB ng, ano ba to? MOA? MOU? Or? Joint Memorandum Circular na wala pa po hanggang ngayon. So we are waiting for that. Opo. Pag yun, kailangan po namin ng kopya kasi nasa GAA po eh. We cannot release without that.
Instructions from the President to fast-track this, given that the prices of fuel is on the upward trend and according to DOE, mukhang wala pa po tayong maasahang rollback in the next few weeks or even months.
Yes po. In fact, when Secretary Bautista called me last week, sinabihan na po namin siya that kailangan matapos na po nila yung yung JMC nila. And then, wala namang masyadong amendment dun sa JMC nila. I think they can use the previous JMC yata eh. And then, sign it. And then submit to us. We will release the budget.
And the President, what does he have to say about this, ma'am?
Syempre po si Presidente, pag gusto po niya, pag nasa budget po, kailangan magamit kaagad. So, yun po. Sana po mailabas namin kaagad pag meron na po yung requirement per GAA.